Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime routine for my relaxed hair. This routine can be applied to anyone who wears their hair in a silk press. If you're natural, if you're a straight natural, or if you're relaxed like myself, this routine will work for you. It should only take you about 3 to 5 minutes start to finish, and you only need a few products. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the start of the show, the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. It's a lightweight oil. This is great for everyday use. It will not weigh your hair down. I apply it to the ends to make sure that my ends are nice and conditioned and moisturized. And this is just gonna help to reduce breakage while I'm wrapping my hair. You're also gonna need a mesh wrap cap. This is what I like to use to secure my wrap in place. I also like to use a scarf. I can't tell you what material this is. All I can say is that this is my favorite scarf. I've been using it for a while and it works. I look like a boy with a do-rag on with just wearing this, so I like to put this on top because it makes it look a little bit more curly. I wrap my hair first and then I get in the shower and take off my makeup and do my skincare routine. So this will add like an extra layer of protection against any other moisture that your hair is gonna come in contact with for the rest of the night, and it can prevent your scarf from sliding off. This is what we're going to use to form the wrap. I used to use a paddle brush. I find that these are a lot more gentle. Make sure you have one of these on hand as well. I like to start with the wide tooth comb and gently detangle my hair. I like to start from the ends and just work my way up. I like to go in with my oil and I use literally a dime size amount. That's it. Rub it in my hands and literally focus it just on the ends and up here as well, because I have some shorter pieces up here. I go in and start to comb my hair towards the front. Just like this. I like to wrap my hair this way, going towards the left. I start like right here on the right side of my head and begin combing. Let me turn around so you guys can see. I begin combing the hair. Now that I've got the hair this way, I take it and just kind of gather it. And gently just bring it over. I just kind of take my hands and smooth it like that. Gotta hold my head steady so that it doesn't fall. Then I take my wrap cap and I put this side, like the fuzzy side, I make sure this is on the left side. So I take it like this and I fold that fuzzy side down first, and I'm still holding this tight and holding my hair, and I'm gonna close it. Now my hair is bunched up right here, so I want to make sure to smooth it and still gather it all the way around and just make sure it's smooth all the way around. I like to pull mine up over my ears and tuck in any hairs that's hanging out. And I also like to go around the top. Where'd that piece come in at? I also like to take the wrap and shift it all the way around. This just makes sure that like no hair is out of place or anything, that nothing is gonna get bent. And then I take it and do it tighter. And again, smooth that hair. Make sure everything is patted down. Make sure no hair is hanging out. See, this is hanging out. I like to basically make it into a triangle. It doesn't have to be perfect, and lay it like this. Then I take the two ends, crisscross them in the back. Then I bring those ends to the front and tie it in a knot. I like to tie the knot in the front instead of the back because it's just more comfortable for me to sleep at night. If that knot is in the back, it hurts my head and it's uncomfortable. All you gotta do now, you are done, is put that bonnet on. And I just like to make sure everything is in there, tucked. I gotta go to sleep now, but I'll be back in the morning to show you what my results look like. It's the next morning. Let's go ahead and take this wrap down. This part is self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna start. Now I'm gonna decide where I want my part. Last week I had my part on this side, so I really need to put my part on this side. To part, I like to use one of these combs. I don't use these to like comb my hair, but they are great at parting because of that little space right there. And I like my part to be good. Now, over the course of the day, the part kind of moves and turns into a flip over, but you know. I like to go in with this cheese silk infusion to lay down my flyaways and just add a little something to my ends. I literally use like less than a dime size. That's literally it. I'm gonna show you what I do if I'm going somewhere and I want to keep my style in place all day. Like, I don't want this part to move, as well as how I just add a little bit more detail for those days that I just want to be a little bit extra. I'm gonna take my Chi hairspray, and I like to spray this like right here where the part is. This just makes sure that the part lasts all day and that it don't move, because what'll happen to me is this will turn into like a flip over and it won't like stay like this all day if I don't use hairspray, because my hair is just basically so soft and flowy at this point. Another thing that I like to do is add me a little bit of edges. I like to do that using the Shine and Jam. When I used to get my hair done at the salon, my stylist would always do me like just a little bit of edge. It just adds the finishing to the style. That's how I maintain my style at night. This is how I style my hair every day, minus the hairspray and the edges. I don't do that every day. I just do that when I want to feel a little bit extra special, and I wanted to share that with y'all. Let me know what you guys think of my routine. Is your routine similar to mine? I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hype this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.